Alright, I'm going to go over how to create the blog page. So right now we have a theme installed and I've created the home page. So to create the blog page, we're just going to create a page first. So we'll call this one the blog and we'll publish it. And you don't need to assign a template or anything. You just create a page and name it whatever you need to name. The blog, latest news, the blog, just something that we'll need to assign to in a second. So then under settings and reading, make sure that you have your thing selected to a static page instead of latest posts. And then front page is your home page. And then post page will be your blog. So ours is the blog. And then you can change your blog post per page right here as well. We'll do something like 5. Let's save the changes. And I'm going to go ahead and actually add that blog page to our navigation right here. Let's go ahead and add this to the menu. Save our menu. So now we have our blog page right here. And when we visit it, we get our list of blog page posts. So we only have one, so let's go ahead and add another one. So let's add a post. We'll call this post example 1. And just like everything else, we've then add an image. And this image is going to be a featured image, just like most of our other images. So let's go ahead and add a cheesy corporate photo for that. It's uploading, and then we'll go to, once it's uploaded, you go to set featured image. That's key. And then you select it, and the button on the right will become set featured image. So we'll select that, and it will show up down here under featured image. So we can publish that, and then we can go back to our blog and see our post, and then your featured image will be cropped and resized for you, which is really nice. So then how to add content is simple. Content goes here, and then below content. So when we update our post, all of the content will display on the index, but if you want to cut off the content, so only a snippet displays on the home page, it's very simple. There's this button right here, it's called Insert More. You just select it where you want to cut off the data. So anything above the Insert More will display on the index, and then on the post page, everything will display. So we'll refresh the page, and you see how the Read More button shows up now, and then only the content displays above it on the index. And then when I click on the post, everything displays on the post page. So it's very simple to use that. So once again, that's this Insert More button. So if you just hover over these buttons, it'll display what they mean. Insert More tag. And let's go and add another post. And let's call this one video example post. And I'm going to go and go to Vimeo and grab some video embed code. Let's copy that. And let's paste that into this video embed code area. Make sure it's just the iframe code and no other stuff in there. And we'll have our content, index content here. Now let's add this Insert More button, and then don't display this below on the index. And we'll publish our post now, and we can go back to our blog. And now we have our video, which is all nicely formatted, and we have our index content there. And then our index and our content below that says do not display on the index. So it's very easy to display our blog and edit it. So that is the blog.